Hello. I'm Vivian. Today, I'm showing you how to make a monkey. Prepare a long balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Leave 5 to 10 finger width uninflated at the tail end. Knot the mouth. Keep a longer mouth here. We will use it later. Now massage the balloon from beginning to end. This helps to prevent it from bursting. Okay. Now make a single bubble of 4 finger width. Then make an ear bubble. Make a single bubble of 4 finger width. Make an ear bubble. Connect the balloon mount to this ear bubble. Then make a single bubble of 4 finger width. Connect it to this ear bubble. Massage the balloon all times. Pinch and empty the balloon for a little bit. Then we use the other hand to find the long mouth and block the balloon. Then connect it to the other ear bubble. In this way, our balloon is stuck right in the middle. Okay, monkey's head is completed. Now let's make the body. Make a single bubble of 5 finger width. Then make a double ear bubble. Double ear bubble is 2 single bubbles twisted together. Then rotate the balloon and go through the middle. This prevents the balloon from rubbing directly against each other. Massage the balloon all times. Make a single bubble of 5 finger width. Put it to this single bubble. Then make a single bubble of 4 finger width. Put it to here. His body is completed. Now adjust it slightly. Head right in the middle of the body. Draw a small emoji. Big mouth. Okay. Finally, let's shape the rest balloon to make a tail. Now the monkey is completed. Stay tuned and join me.